equation ABC. And in this case, it should be clear to everybody that if a plane makes a intercept ABC, that is length of intercept are ABC respectively, then the coordinates of point where it cuts x, y, z axis. So coordinate of A will be A0, 0 and that of B0, B0 and C0, 0, C. It should be clear. This is the intercept form. And it is also noted that if in the problem it is given that plane cuts or intersect or meet to the coordinate axis and we have to determine equation of the plane, then we always assume the equation of plane in the intersect form. For example, the equation of plane which meets at the point 2, 0, 0 x-axis and 0, 4, 0 y-axis, 0, 0, 5 at z-axis. Find the equation of plane which cuts or which meets the x-axis at this point, y-axis at this point, z-axis this point. So, as in case the equation ABC intercept then points on the coordinate axis. So, here A is 2, by V is 4 and C is 5. Then equation of plane is x upon 2 plus y upon 4 plus z upon 5 equal to 1. There are many problems there, which in which it is given in the question that plane meets or cuts or intersect the coordinate axis. So we always assume the equation of plane in the intercept form. For example, other equation, find the equation of the plane equation of the plane which meets coordinate axis and axis at A, B, C respectively, and the centroid of the triangle ABC, centroid of the triangle ABC is 2, 5, 6. Okay. Equation of plane which meets coordinate axis at the point ABC respectively, that is at x-axis it meets or cuts x-axis, y-axis, z-axis, a plane which meets x-axis at A, y-axis at B and z-axis at point C. Okay. So this thing is given here which meets. So in this case we assume the equation of plane in this form, that is intersect form. So let equation of the plane is x upon A plus y upon B plus z upon C. And in this case the coordinates of A0, 0 and the V0, V0 and that of C0, 0, C. This is the triangle ABC whose centroid is given 2, 5, 6. So by coordinate of centroid of a triangle, 2 is equal to, we take as x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2, x3, y3, x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3. That is a plus 0 plus 0 upon 3. This implies a equal to 6. Similarly, b equal to, other coordinates, b equal to 15 and c equal to 18. Putting values in equation 1, therefore the required equation of plane is, x upon a that is 6 plus y upon 15 plus z upon 18 equal to 1. This is, so it should be clear to everybody that if it is given in the problem, it will be hint to solve problem related plane. So this step will be hint that if in problem it is given that plane cuts coordinate axis, meet the coordinate axis, intersect coordinate axis, then we assume the equation of the plane of in intersect form. Okay, so there may be many problems in which this concept be used. And next, equation of the plane, first was general equation, second equation of plane passing one point, third intersect form, and fourth normal form. Normal form is normal form of the plane is Lx plus My plus Nz equal to P. The description of equation is where L, Mn are the disease of the, in the previous equations, coefficient x, y, z, that a, b, c are drs of normal to the, but in this case element the disease of the normal to the plane, and p is the perpendicular distance from origin to the plane. Okay, for example, this is coordinate system again, and this is a plane which, and this is the plane and this is origin, so we draw perpendicular whose distance is p, and the normal of the plane whose disease are element, this type normal. So whose equation is Lx plus My plus Nz equal to P. For example, if normal of a, if normal to the plane makes angles 90, 45 and 135 with x, y, z axis respectively, and its perpendicular distance from origin is 4 unit, then find equation of plane. Equation of plane. Normal makes the angles x-axis y, then by definition, and perpendicular distance, it means clear. It is clear that here we use normal form, and for normal form we must have distance which is given as 4 and disease of normal. So since angles are given of normal with coordinate axis, we can find disease by definition. If angle alpha, beta, gamma, then cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma are disease, that is element. So disease of the normal disease of the normal, disease of normal, we cos 90, cos 45 and cos 135. That is 0, 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root. These are L, M and P, which is given as 4 units, which is given. So, equation of the plane, direct we use, since this is of normal and its perpendicular distance from origin given, we can use normal form. So, equation of the plane is 0 into x ln 1 by root 2y minus 1 by root 2 z equal to 4p. That is y minus z equal to 4 root 2. This is our answer. It is clear to everybody that it is equation of the plane whose normal, like the angle that is has disease and its perpendicular distance from the origin be given, we can find equation by using normal form. Its description, element are disease of the normal to the plane and P is the perpendicular distance from origin to the plane. Okay. And next equation of the plane is equation of plane passing through 3 points. Equation of plane passing through 3 points. And let points are x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2 and x3, y3, z3. Then equation of plane is determinant first row x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1. Second row x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. Third row x3 minus x1, y3 minus y1, z3 minus z1 equal to 0. So it is very simple to learn since there is symmetry. x1, y1, z1 is are subtracted in first row from x and second x2, y2, z2 respectively, and in third row x3, y3, z3. There is alternative methods also to find equation of plane passing through 3 points, but this is the direct equation. For example, find the equation of the plane, equation of the plane through the points 0, 1, 2, 1 minus 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5. So that is according to the question. It is asked the equation of the plane passing through the given 3 points. So we take as x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2, x3, y3, z3. Then equation of plane by the direct equation. Equation of the plane is x minus x1, that is x minus 0, y minus 1, z minus 2 and in second x2 minus 1 minus 0, minus 1 minus 1, 2 minus 2 and third row x3 minus x1, 3 minus 0 and 4 minus 1 and 5 minus 2 equal to 0. We simplify it. This implies x, y minus 1, z minus 2 and 1 minus 2, 0, 3, 3, 3 in this case. This is equal to 0. So it is very simple to solve it. x into this is minus 6 minus 0 minus 6x minus y minus 1, and this is 3 into minus 0 and plus z minus 2 into 3 plus 6, that is 9, equal to 0. 3 we minus 3 we take common, so it becomes 2x, this is this equation, 2x and minus, so this is plus y minus 1 and 3 common, minus 3 common, so this is minus 3z minus 2 equal to 0, or 2x plus y minus 3z and plus 6, that is plus 5 equal to 0. This is answer. So to find equation of plane passing through 3 points, this is the equation by using determinant, and we can find very easily. There may be also other method or alternative method, and further we will also discuss these methods and some equations, but very popular equations are which are used very frequently. This equation of the plane are these 5, and other all some topics in which also we use another method to find equation of the plane. So next till tomorrow.